Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw an old person's hands. So we'll just show a hand perhaps from the top here like that. So let us get a oval going. Knuckle set will be here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the hand going into the wrist. Now there are some things that we have to be mindful about when we are doing an old person's hands. Generally the rules are the same because they are hands. So we can do sausages if you want again, and if you check out some other videos that we've put out focusing on drawing the hands, we have employed this method. It's an easy method. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so that is just the core structure. I mean, if you want to lay it out, I mean, it helps. But the general principle is that we can, as you know, as we depict in different sources, the hands of an old person, one key difference is that, let's say that it's one of the thinner old people or fitter old people, they will be, the hands will like appear a little bit like emaciated. So not overtly thin necessarily, but one way of going about it is to take out like a little fraction of the flesh around the fingers and make the joints more prominent. Okay, so what we've done is tried to take away like a little bit of flesh between those joints and try to make these more prominent. So these parts more prominent because you have to show the hand, let's say, as more bony. There's a nail. Okay. Then here we have to make these quite prominent as well. We're talking about the knuckles. So let's say that I just like do a generic we have some like vein structure that we need right here. So let's say that we have an intertwining vein or two. The veins, they become like very prominent. there we have it. See, so some core intertwining vein structure that we have put together. For this hand, and we'll put some here. We'll also put some tones here on one end, just to make it more along the lines of convention. So now on each of these fingers, we're going to put in tones as we have determined the light is falling in from that side. And then another important thing is we could show some shriveling skin on and off, like depending on how just adding a bit of shriveling skin here and there. And then you might be wondering that where did the thumb go? Now we know that our thumbs are like, we're slightly younger than this person, but the thumbs generally in an old person's hands are going to get gradually tucked to the back. So realistically, in this kind of pose, we would not expect the thumb to show, but if you wish to show it regardless, you could put it like right next to the hand like this. Make it like match the emaciation again on the thumb, and that will also work. So there we have it, quick exercise in drawing an old person's hand, and you can add as many details as you want and highlight like veins, highlight like shriveled like skin, highlighted knuckles with more details on it. This is like very generic, but this is pretty much what it will amount to, more or less. So please do check out our videos. Routinely we put out content every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day.